Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and jump right on into this. We're gonna do some classy on a budget gel extensions. I be using my favorite gel extensions, which is the OPI Stiletto, and I'm also going to be using this solid glue by Beeturt Box. Now since this is a solid glue, I'm going to squeeze it out and do about 3 lines inside the nail extension. Then I'm going to do a bead at the bottom. We'll get our curing light going. We're going to press the nail at a 45-degree angle, push down slightly until the glue reaches the tip of your nail, and then you're going to put underneath the flash curing lamp for 15 seconds. Going to apply a strip to each side, one down the middle, another one down the side, and the bead right at the tip. We're going to press down softly until the gel reaches the tip of your nail. Once it reaches the tip of your nail, you're going to put underneath your fast curing light for 15 seconds. Are on. We're going to go ahead and put it underneath our curing light, our UV light, 60 seconds, and we'll be right back. Nails have been cured for 60 seconds. We're going to use our acetone with our brush, and we're just going to seal in our extensions near our cuticle area. You're going to dip your brush into the acetone. I wipe some of it off, and you just move your brush from side to side. All we're doing is blending our extensions to our cuticle. You don't want to stay in one spot. You want to keep swiping. I absolutely, truly do love these extensions because they sit well, they blend well with my cuticles to where I don't have to use a drill. Today we're going to be using 2 colors, hot pink . We are going to apply this pretty pink and give it our nails a couple of swirls on the pinky and the index. Just going to put a little bit right there. We're going to take our tool and we're just going to swirl this around. You can see that. Go ahead and cure, and we'll be right back. All cured. We're going to go ahead and we're going to apply a couple of these beautiful stickers to my nails. Fam, you know I love me some stickers. All stickers have been applied. We're going to use some of these pearl on the inside of these flowers. We're going to apply a couple of pearls at the bottom of my index and my pinky finger. We're going to add some of the pearls to the bottom of this finger right here as well. We're going to go ahead and cure this whole hand for 60 seconds. Nails have been cured. We're going to apply this 3D jelly on top of the flowers. I have not done this before. We're just trying something new, and let's see if it works. We want the flowers just to stick out a little bit more, make them more of a 3D effect to them. Now we also going to be doing something different. I'm going to actually take the shine out of my nails and I'm going to do my nails all matte. Nails are complete. I think they came out super cute using the matte finish on top of these. I was really trying to achieve classy on a budget because these are very, very inexpensive to do. What do you guys think? Did I achieve that? I appreciate you guys taking time out of your busy schedule to watch my video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.